Hey, Dad, what you got there today?
Oh, I got something really cool, man. Everybody, check this out. This is a Vevor hot stove for a hot tent. This is a big one, man. This is a real nice one. I have one like this. I paid a lot of money for it. This is on the cheap, and I tell you the truth, it looks the same. Here, come help me unbox this.
Yeah, right off the bat, definitely comes boxed well. You got foam in here. Decent box.
Yeah, my other one came dented.
Oh, this definitely has some weight to her.
Yeah, ready? Just
Yep.
gonna take a bit. Grab it. I got it, right? Get the box out of the way.
Now, everything is inside of this. Legs and all. Hey, this is a nice little wood stove right here.
Get the attachments for the water heater.
Some hot stoves, maybe even garages. I mean, it's definitely big enough. It's designed for hot tents, but, you know, endless possibilities. Oh, open up the stove, see what it comes with. Nice thick door on it. Look at that, Dad.
Oh yeah, this is no joke. This is a good
It's
one.
definitely heavy duty. This has some weight to it. This is not light.
Now this goes in a big tent and you just leave it there and you spend a week or two in the tent. Or a small cabin, if you have a little cabin, one of them tiny houses, you need a nice heater. I have this, that's what I'm saying. This is a really good one.
All right, so we got everything out the box. As you can see, nice big stove. There's the dampener, the exhaust pipe, nice poker. Let's get everything unwrapped. Let's get this put together. We started putting our legs together. We have this upside down. We took the door off just so she wouldn't fall onto the floor. You're gonna take your hex screws. Just gonna put them right on in here. Everything lines up beautiful. Not a bad unit right here. Definitely some thick steel on here.
Definitely lasts you a long time. Just make sure you don't leave the ash in it on long term. Clean it out because that ash is like an acid once it gets wet.
Here we have it right there. Legs are on it. Not a bad size.
Damper pipe through the inside. And you get a couple of these screws started. Basically, we're just going to shove this in here, line it up, like you see. Okay. Maybe I should put it the other way. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, washer, spring, wing nut. So we have washer, spring, washer, wing nut. The tighter you make this, it will prevent it. It puts tension on it, so it will stay in the position where you need it to be. And you can always, if you don't like it back here, you can always turn it once over and have it this way. Now I'm just closing my dampener. I got this way so I can tell it's closed from the outside. I'm just tightening the swing nut. These are open. That's closed, open, closed. Like I said, you can have it any way you want. I might move it to the front. While he's tightening that, I'm going to put this grate in. This way your air falls to the bottom. Slice it in. Now we have our little rain cap. I bent these tabs down here for the rain cap.
And there we have it. We just successfully put it together. Not too bad at all. Definitely some heavy duty steel on this stove. Great for hot tents, camping, etc. If you guys want one of them, if you don't already have them, they're on great sales right now and stock's running low, and I linked it below. Click it for that link disappears and get yours. Also appreciate it. If this video like, you follow for more great deals.